Yo, we are rolling back in action. So y'all might be wondering what the fuck's going on. So I'm gonna take you guys through a quick little tour of the whole crib because we're about to leave. We're leaving, bro. We leave in how many days? We leave in 6 days. I leave for tour in 2 days. I haven't packed a single thing, but I'm gonna show you guys where we've been living for the last 12 months. And then in a couple of days from now, in a couple of YouTube videos, you'll see our new crib with a brand new tour. A different video, we're gonna do a room tour as well. This is just the house run through. Let me show you around 1092. We got like a 2 seasons porch out here. It's all enclosed, but I swear to God, in the winter, bro, it was frigid. I'll come out here with my full jacket, snow pants on. We got this nice couch. Shout out to Faith for this one. We got random delinquents throughout the whole house, so when you guys see pieces that pop out, just know it's delinquents. Pretty much like our bikes area. It's nothing anything crazy. But let's go inside. This section right here, we've changed it up every single day, damn near. Right now, we're just using it as storage. We're literally about to move, so everything is everywhere, so don't mind that. But we used to have like a whole backdrop set up. We normally use this for like self-tapes and stuff like that for modeling and acting. But yeah, recently we took it down. Now we use this area just kind of as storage, but we also use it to hold some of our branded clothing that we get sent. Really just a mess, but whatever. Let's head over here. This is our living room over here. So right here we got our free couch. Shout out my sister Loli. She actually found us this couch. It's so cozy, bro. I'll come down in the mornings and random people will be sleeping on this couch or that couch too. It's one of those couches where it's like, if I sit all the way back, my feet don't even touch the ground. It's extra long and it's so cozy. But the thing about this couch is because it's free, it is broken, but we make it work. And then in the corner over here, we got our busted Christmas tree. We've had this up all year. Damn near since we moved in, we put it up. So we actually got this from Sam. He got it for free for us as well. This one's honestly so cozy too. Both of them, like, you just spent like probably half the year on both these couches. Not even in his room the whole time. We got all of our ocean foam and everything that we need to keep our bodies intact. We've been working out kind of a lot. Just make sure that we got our recovery going. So we got like our foam rollers, we got our pads over here, we got some workout equipment down here. Honestly, this corner is just kind of, we just kind of just throw stuff and forget about it. We got TV that we've been using ever since college. This was in my room. We kind of just threw it on top of this random little TV stand. It's not even like set up at all. Like this TV could fall easily. One thing I really like about this house though, they kept their old school vibe mixed with like the new, yeah. I don't even know. These are pretty cool. You know, sometimes when we have a lot of people in here, we just like pop a seat, cool it, or put stuff on there like a little plant and stuff, but we can make our way over here. I've showed you guys this spot before. This is kind of our makeshift area just to do like work and stuff. When we want to work out with everybody in one spot, we kind of just sit down at this table. We didn't have this table at first. So this area when we first moved in here was me and UJ's desks on each side, kind of how we had the last place, even though you guys never saw that. And then we decided, because we were throwing kind of a lot of parties and get-togethers, that probably wouldn't be the smartest idea to keep all of our equipment down here, so we kind of left that out of the spot. But yeah, this is kind of the makeshift area. We kind of got stuff just thrown in each corner. Like we got a random piano, a random little like drawer over there that we just throw random miscellaneous things on there. And then shout out my aunt. We got nice little couch right here, or seat. I don't even know what you call it. This one's cozy as ever too. Mini fridge that's usually stocked with Red Bull and some cervezas. Old school built-in shelf. This is one of my favorite things to find at houses. But yeah, this is used just for the most random little things ever. Let's move over to the kitchen. So the kitchen's a mess right now. Don't even worry about it. This is how it always looks. Shout out Ben. He kept it really nice for us. He made sure that we got the stainless steel appliances. Our last crib, we had a stank-ass oven and stove that was literally like this big. So to actually have somewhere where we could fit a full-size pizza, it's really nice. And then we got a nice microwave. We got a bunch of different cabinets all around. We got good counter space, which has been lovely to have. And then we got our dishwasher right here. Thank God we got a dishwasher, because our last spot we did not have a dishwasher. Come over here. Got like our little wet room. This is always filled with the most random shoes ever. So good in the winter. Just come in here, throw your stuff here. You can make your way in the crib. But right here we got a heated fan in the ceiling, which is so tough. We got a nice little bathroom, blah blah blah. Nice painting by my mom. Shout out my mom. We got a nice ass shower right here, and then on the back side of the door we have a bunch of shelves and stuff too. Which this has been a great thing to have. So this is a 4-bedroom, 3-floor, 2-bathroom house. Upgraded since last year. Me and UJ lived in a 1-story apartment, 2 bedrooms. It was really big though. I really did enjoy it, but let's make our way down to the basement. We don't really use the basement for anything besides a bunch of random storage, so it's kind of dirty. So we got our washer and dryer down here. We already washing stuff because we got to bounce out of here pretty soon. That back corner is just straight storage. I won't even show you guys because it's actually crazy. It's just dirty as ever. When we first moved in here, instead of our upstairs backdrop, we actually had our backdrop right here. We filmed a bunch of stuff for Vlad, and then we did some self-tapes down here. The only reason I think that we moved it upstairs is because furnishing and the stuff that makes the house operate It's just so loud, bro. When we were doing these self-tapes, we needed it to be a little quiet so you actually hear stuff. This was like a cool spot to have it. And then throughout the basement, we have Christmas lights that are down here too.
Wow, bro, there's a spider web on this shit.
I just walked through the spider web. Since it's the summer, I guess we don't really use this anymore, but in the winter, this is a great spot to just come down here and really lock in. Me and UJ have been down here multiple nights, like 3 in the morning, just making random music. I don't know why, but super vibes, bro, super vibes. We got some random equipment throughout here and there. We used to have a boxing bag. Is that what it's called? Kickboxing bag? We used to have a bag hanging from the ceiling. It's on the ground now. UJ broke that motherfucker. So crazy. Motherfucker strong as hell. Let's go show you guys the rooms. I love this crib because all the natural lighting that we get throughout the whole thing has just been so beautiful. Like walking up the stairs right there, all the natural light just bouncing here. Beautiful. I'm not gonna go in depth with all the rooms, but we'll just show you guys a quick little preview. This is Sam's room right here. Pretty spacious. Natural lighting in here goes crazy. His closet kind of funny, but look at that. Step into it. Ugh. The best part about UJ and Sam's room is you guys can literally go onto the roof. So we spent countless days just cooling it on the roof, especially when the weather started getting nicer. Then we'll make our way to UJ's room right here. Fire a little natural light. Buddy Spaz in the room. If you guys want to see a room tour, it'll most likely be on his page, maybe his Instagram too, who knows. He set it up very nice. And we got this, our last crib, we found it in a dumpster. And it works perfect. But yeah, this is his room. This is the biggest room in the house. Nice little closet right here too. This is Faith. Say what up, Faith. This is her room right here. I like her mirror. All right, we'll let her pack up.
Everyone stole it from me. I'd come home and it'd be gone. Stop. Ghetto. Your boots are here, Luis.
My boots is crazy.
That's the one Patrick was wearing.
Roll the video of him in my outfit?
Nah, we won't do that, we won't do that. Oh, let's get back to it. Upstairs bathroom right here. This one was fire too. All the tile work, he spazzed on all of it. They don't have a heater in here, so that's why I like the downstairs one better. This is my room. We're not gonna do a full tour, and you guys are gonna have to wait to see what's behind the special door in the back, but this is it right here. I got the smallest room in the house, kind of. I'll show you guys what's back there later. This is my room. This is where I've been doing everything. I've remodeled, or I've rechanged it. I've rearranged it multiple times. I didn't know what to do with my desk, but honestly, right now with the window behind it has been so nice. And I have a closet back there that I don't really use. It's kind of just like off. I'll show you what's back there later, but let's go to the backyard quick. We did film some like random stuff throughout the last like whatever year that we lived here, but never really saw the light of day. It's more just for us. But our next crib, we'll make sure to make it go crazy. This is honestly one of my favorite spots of the whole crib. Rain, sun, snow, like whatever. I'll be out here cooking on this grill. It doesn't really work the best, but I'll be in there chefing up. And it's really cool because we actually have a fat ass backyard, whereas our last place, we just had to park on the street, so it's kind of ass. Now we actually have an area to park our cars. And honestly, like we did a few like bonfire actions and some parties and stuff back here, but super fire, super vibes. That's pretty much our whole crib tour. In the next video, I'll show you guys the rest of my room tour, actually in detail. Catch y'all wherever we go.